Somebody said to me they couldn't afford coloured paper to make flowers. So these are made from an old book that I got from a junk shop for 10p that was falling to pieces and nobody wanted it. And I turned it into flowers. I painted them to make your own pretty daisies. Take a circle of paper, fold it in half, half again, and then once more. Get some scissors. Right, then each cut the edges off, like that, and like that, like that, and like that. Oh. Cut a little bit off the bottom, not a lot. Fold it out. Scissors, cut. There. Take something I just curl the petals with. Run it round. That. And spot glue. Hold it in place. Now to make the centre. Take a long piece of paper and fold it over again, like that. Then cut. Done. And hold it together. Right. And stick it in the centre of the flower. Now we need a stem. Take a sheet of paper and roll it up like that. Spot of glue and stick it together. This end. And even. Cut. There we go. Spread them out. Put some glue. And stick it to the flower. Just cut some leaf shapes. Stick them on. Twirl the leaves.